Here we go with the Jerry Springer show. Azazel, who said I hated you, bruh? Really? So you still don't know me? Let me oh, for crying out loud, for real? Real?
Dark. Got into the shop. So I thought I'd make a quick video. So, as you're probably aware, Taurus doesn't like me anymore. Which
Let me pause that right there before you do something stupid. I don't dislike you. No, turn off. God damn it. You see what you made me do? I ain't got a problem with you. I just got problems with what you do. I don't even know if I got a real problem with the True Clan, because it turns out True Chronics is alright. I don't think I've got a true problem with him. But it's Natural and Citizens Erased. Those are my main two problems. And anyone who gets involved in that, well, I'm going to have the problem with them if they are either half and half or on their side. But I remember a specific comment saying, go fuck yourself. From you to me. I don't know what that was all about, but I still kept it calm, cool, collect. This all escalated only because I stated an opinion of I don't like when people drag. I added your name because you seem to have joined my party. You asked me for an invite. And I added you to the party. I did not kick you out of the party. And you was pissed off. You was pissed off that my partners got involved in the tag team match. And stopped you from dragging me a bunch of times. Which I'm not going to turn around and say no. Because everybody knows how I feel about drags. Right? Then you said something like, I am too scared to fight by myself. Or I bet you can't fight by yourself. Or something like that. On your video, one of the two. If you're gonna fight me, don't double team in the tag team match or something. You said I'm too scared at first, and then you covered it up with, if we're tag teaming, don't double team me. I was just clearing up a few things. That last video that I did about dragging was not just to you, because you're not the only person in the world who drags. A lot of other people like Disaster, even Wavy D, you know, a load of people, even some of my friends drag. And I was telling you the aspect of how much respect I got for the people who don't use drags. I added your name because you seem to be offended after I told you that I didn't care you got double teamed because you dragged me a bunch of times. You know, how am I going to turn around and say, hey, stop attacking my Azazel when you're dragging me? You know what I mean? You know, drag is irreversible. You can't move when the person's in it. There's nothing you can do about it apart from wait till the person makes their move. It's boring. Alright? That doesn't mean I dislike you. Alright? Because if I disliked you, there would be no Team Taurian in the first place. Alright? So, I know who my friends and my enemies are. If you want to be one of those people, that's fine. But you're going to have to work a little bit harder. No, a lot harder for me to hate you. Okay? I don't even like hating people, you know. You're not meant to have that in your DNA. I just let out some steamed up aggression and I put it on the game, just like I've said before. Don't get it twisted, Azazel. I don't dislike you. Let me repeat myself. I don't hate you. I like you. You're epic. You just join the wrong side and you do the wrong things from time to time. Those are called mistakes. And you're a human being. You're allowed to make them. As long as you don't continue, because that's only going to piss me off until I make a mistake, and then we can have a mistake factory. You get what I'm saying? Winner, boy. Glad you heard it.